Midnight in the workshop, drawings on the floor, Tim horn on the bench and a slam lap door. Trigger line is drifting, timing's running wild. Every clean simulation turns savage in the field. I need a sharper, so I need less ringing in the chain. But the launch into the antenna keeps throwing back the pain. Vivaldi in the corner, horn beside the rack. Both of them are promising and both are talking back. Top zero keeps moving, clutter won't die. The near field blast is burning through the weak reply. I come shield and do it all again, trying to pull the buried truth up through the sand. GPR, break the ground tonight. Hit the dirt with ultrawideband light. From the transmit pulse to the echo scar, we hunt the deep with the hard rock GPIs. Hold the line, take the signal from the noise inside. From clay to stone, provide your waveform till the ghosts are destroyed. Receiver from the screaming from the leaking at the start. Limited, barely holding mother and they falls apart. Too much gain and it compresses, too little and it's gone. The deep return from wet soil never lasts for long. Matching networks just again when the ground gets near. Well, the fun and open air breaks down out here. The electric constant changing with the water rimming the seams. So the whole damn antenna lies about the depth I see. Stacking for the weak ones, window for the background attraction. Kill the static stain. ESP's grinding till they're in the mud. Looking for a target in a river full of blood. GPR, break the ground tonight. Hit the dirt with ultrawideband light. From the transmit pulse to the echo scar, we hunt the deep with the hard rock GPRs. Hold the line, hear the signal from the noise inside. From clay to stone, provide your waveform till the ghosts are destroyed. PRF is climbing and battery second low. ADC wants mercy, but the samples have to flow. Jitter in the clock line, baseline on the rise. A hollow looks like bedrock when the calibration lies. Migration for the hyperbolus, do well for the crawl. Band pass for the mid-band when the low one starts to sprawl. Every berry cable, every boot, every seam turns into a false alarm inside the second screen. Him horn for the impulse, rubber for the spread. Bow tie wants the band with rings inside my head. Shield the temperature, but keep the feed point clean. Kill the late term ringing if you wanna see deep. Direct lane, ground wave, target echo, step the one. Because the first minute substance tell you who you really are. And if the transmit bleed is louder than the truth alone, you're just a man with a spectrum. And nowhere left to go. Time zero, shift.